A first-of-its-kind study in Northeast Ohio looked at obesity and its effect on how long people live. Local health officials compared one neighborhood to another and found folks in Lyndhurst live 20 years longer on average than people living in Cleveland's Huff neighborhood. As News Channel 5's Alicia Ciccolone explains, it's prompting Clevelanders and health leaders to make a change before this disparity gets worse.
Parts of Cleveland's Huff neighborhood are getting a facelift with remodeled or brand new houses, but others which need help still remain. Less than 10 miles away in Lyndhurst, a typical middle-class suburb. They may be different on the outside, but what's going on the inside is leading to heavy-duty research all about the obesity epidemic.
We always build up the economics of it, but we don't build the people. We have to do the people development.
Luann Peters grew up in Huff and has been there her whole life.
We used to walk everywhere. Now it's not convenient to walk any place. You have to get a bus or you have to get a ride. We used to have fresh markets. We used to have markets on Superior where you can walk to throughout the, we had more grocery stores that was around here, but we don't have these now.
The new study centers around that very statement. The lack of fresh and healthy food in Huff is leading to early death from obesity. Huff residents have a life expectancy of 64 years. In Lyndhurst, life expectancy is 88.5 years.
Everybody doesn't have the same resources. Perhaps, there's an idea that works in one community that would work in another community.
University Hospital's dietitian Lisa Simperman says because the Huff residents are limited on grocery stores and places to exercise, and the exact opposite is happening in Lyndhurst, the situation will only get worse over the next few years.
We need to have public policy that encourages healthier habits and access to food. And we need to have community programs that encourage. And then we need to have the individual who really is ready to make the necessary changes and follow through.
Those changes include a new healthy initiative from the Cuyahoga County Board of Health, which could bring fresh markets and exercise programs across the county. That initiative is expected to start at the end of summer. Alicia Ciccolone, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Alicia.